Hello guys, welcome back to your one-stop editor tutorial. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. In today's tutorial, we are going to see the Python function, Python list, and some cool tricks using Python. Let's get started. So starting our last topic, we are going to see some cool tricks using Python function. In tricks, I am going to tell you first about the calendar function. So firstly, we will import the calendar function. Import calendar, print calendar dot month. We will write the year, that is 2021, and we will write any month, that is we will go for third, that is May. So here we go. If you want to see any month or any year, you can just write these two simple command, that is import calendar, and write the command that is print calendar dot month for seeing the month. If you want the complete year, then you can just write, I will again write the code, import calendar, I will write print calendar dot calendar, and I will write the year, that is 2021. So here you can see the complete year schedule, that is from starting from January to December, all the months are printed. We can also see similar for 2022. You can check your birthday, on which day it is coming. We can also write here 9999. You can see the calendar of 9999. You can also add any digit. You can add as much digit you want. You can print the calendar function. Using calendar function, we can print any year you want. We can also create emojis using Python. For that, we will write creating emojis. There is very simple code for creating the emojis you want. I will write print, and this is the main code, that is the code. This is the main code you need to understand. It is simple code like slash capital U 0001F 600. If I print this, I get the smiley emoji. Here also I will write which emoji is this, smile. Similarly, there are multiple emojis. I will write the complete series. Print Let me zoom in, you will see more clearly. $618. So these are some codes. Here you can see all the output. I have printed 5 to 6 emojis here. You can see this output. Firstly, we have seen importing calendar. Now we have seen the creating emojis. Now we will see some tricks using a datetime function. We will type datetime. I will write the simple code, that is import date time, or it's date daytime, import daytime, I will write x equals to datetime dot datetime dot now. If I want to see the current datetime now, and I will just hit the command that is print x. So here you can see the current time, that is 2021 year, 6th month, 2nd day. Now current time is 13:40. So this is how you can print the datetime. Also one cool trick is there. If you want to print the year and day, I will import again. Import datetime. I will write x equals to datetime dot now. For this instance, I want to print year, that is x dot year, and again I want to print x dot, we will write in double quote %a, we will print stf, so str is r. So this is 2021 and Wednesday. So for printing the day and year, we use this command. For printing the complete time, we use this command. Hope you guys like it. Now another trick we are going to see, that is using random function. I will write quickly. Random function. For some purpose you get the OTP, that is if you want to make any kind of transaction. So how these OTPs are generated using the random function, I will tell you. So firstly we need to import the random function. Import random. I will write random dot seed. Using seed function, I want a 10-digit number, so I will write 10, and I will again write print random dot random, and I want the output. Here I can write 70, I want seed 70, so here the number changes. If I write 700, 7000, then also the number changes. So by using random function you can create as many random numbers you want. So for this instance we are seeing random function using datetime function, creating emojis, and also we have also seen the import calendar function. So this was the complete series. In this you have learned what is Python completely from scratch, that is what is Python, the software requirement, variables, operators, data types, conditional loops, functions, lists. If you guys like this series, hit like, do share, and please do subscribe to the channel if you want more such videos. Thank you.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to